You are about to witness the future of the paint people. I wanted to give you guys an exclusive behind the scenes look at my basement. Recently, I've been finishing it and we're partway through, but I really wanted to show you what it looks like so far because it's such a cool industrial aesthetic. This basement is going to be a convertible multi-use space that is a hangout zone, and it's also going to be my paint people studio. And just to give you a little sneak peek as to what's gonna be on the wall, how cool! I can't wait to start filming in the studio in the next month or so, but until then, I can at least give you a little sneak peek behind the scenes look at where we're at right now. But before I do that, I got something to show you around the front. I got a little cloth in my hand because God love contractors, but you know how it is. They're carrying stuff in and out, scuffing the walls, scuffing the front door. So let's go check it out because I might have to clean it up. So here's this beautiful front door ready for autumn. And as you can see, there's some little scuffs here and there, but guess what? Good thing I used Aura Exterior because it comes right off, all of it. Still looks pretty perfect with that beautiful willow color we used in the low luster finish. It's actually pretty awesome because along with many other products in Benjamin Moore's product line, Aura Exterior has been redesigned to have even more durability that can last way longer and keep the paint color consistent for the long haul. Really happy with how this turned out, so I can only imagine how the new and improved Aura Exterior is shaping up to be. There's also quite a few spider webs too, which is perfect because Halloween is coming. Let me know in the comments below if you have problems with spiders on your front porch. Hey people! So just to give you a little bit of backstory behind this basement, it was completely unfinished. Now it's partially finished. And what we're going for is a bit of an industrial look that is reminiscent of our previous loft that we were living at. So we don't have the 14-foot ceilings, but we do have the industrial black ceilings. Look at this. All these ceilings were sprayed, and then of course the walls were primed. The doors are sort of these shaker style recessed paneling. That's a little more modern, a little more contemporary. And this is where the studio is going to be. This is where I'm going to be shooting a lot of future videos in the next month or so. So keep an eye out for that. And right over here, we got some tester colors. So we wanted to go with something a little bit warmer because obviously the black and white vibe is very much monochromatic, grayscale. We want to bring in some warmth. And that's also because we're getting these really cool carpet tiles that are essentially like your commercial carpet tiles, but they're very plush. They're very high pile, I think is the technical term. What I think is always fun is if you're priming your walls, which I always recommend you do, especially with new drywall. This is 2 coats of primer. Now you have the biggest tester area in the world. So what I did was I took some paint colors that I had on hand. This one is Plaster of Paris, which was the main color of the loft, so kind of a natural choice. And then over here and over there, we have Dove Wing, which is our main color upstairs right now in our home. It's also the bathroom color of our previous loft. So there is a lot of connection between our old place and this place. We thought that was kind of fun. And all our furniture is actually gonna be very similar too. So we'll see how this shapes out once these are nice and cured and dried and settled. I figure it's always easy to start with what you have when it comes to paint colors. Right over here, these are the colors that we used in the rest of our house, so why not try these colors out first? We obviously like them. We used them everywhere else in the home. Instead of trying to overcomplicate things and then pick out a bunch of other colors, we started with these, and then now, once we test them out and really see them throughout the day, we can decide, okay, maybe we want something a bit lighter, maybe a bit darker, maybe a bit cooler, more green, more not green, whatever. But at least now with neutral colors like this is a really, really great starting point. Big thanks to Benjamin Moore for helping us out today. So if you want to see the finished product once it's done, which should be in maybe a month or so, hit subscribe and follow us along because we do a lot of videos every single week and continue to do so. Have a colorful day.